Hey guys, today I will be ranking every ride at Epcot. Starting with number 11 we got Living with the Land. This ride takes you through greenhouses, showcasing sustainable farming techniques. You'll see various plants, fruits, and vegetables being grown in innovative ways. I put this ride in last place because I like rides with more thrill and not so much education like this one has. Number 10. Journey into Imagination with Figment. In this ride, Figment guides you through the Imagination Institute's sensory labs, where you learn about your 5 senses. This ride is okay, but I just don't think it deserves to be any higher in my ranking. Number 9. Mission: Space. Mission: Space is an okay ride. There are 2 paths: Mars, Orange Mission, or Earth, Green Mission. The Green Mission is a gentler ride because the cars don't spin as much, but the Orange Mission is a really rough ride because the spinning cars expose riders to forces up to 2.5 G, more than twice Earth's gravity. This ride is okay for me if I go on the Green Mission, but it's placed at number 9 because of the Orange Mission. The Orange Mission spins way too fast that it will make you sick. Number 8. Gran Fiesta Tour, starring the 3 Caballeros. In this ride, you will aboard a gentle boat and journey through the vibrant scenes of Mexico. Along the way, you'll encounter the 3 Caballeros: Donald Duck, Jose Carioca, and Panchito Pistoles. I like this ride because it lasts 8 minutes, and I love long rides, but I haven't went on this ride yet, so I don't think it beats any of the rides that are coming up next. Number 7. Remy's Ratatouille Adventure. This ride is a trackless dark ride based on Ratatouille. In this ride, you shrink down to the size of a rat racing through Gusto's kitchen in a 4D culinary adventure. I haven't went on this ride yet, but I think it will be a really cool ride. Number 6. The Seas with Nemo and Friends. I love the theme of this ride. I didn't put it any higher because it doesn't have any intense parts. Number 5. Spaceship Earth. Spaceship Earth is an iconic attraction in Epcot. It takes you through time exploring mankind's technological advances from the Stone Age to the computer age. This ride made it to the top 5 because it lasts 15 minutes, and it's an iconic ride inside the big Epcot ball. Number 4. Guardians of the Galaxy, Cosmic Rewind. Cosmic Rewind takes you on an intergalactic chase through space and time. The coaster features twists, turns, and inversions, making it a thrilling adventure. It is one of Disney's newer rides, so I haven't went on this ride yet, but I think I'll love it because it's a roller coaster and it's very thrilling. Before we get into the top 3, please like and subscribe. Number 3. Frozen Ever After. This ride is a boat ride that has both calm and exciting moments, and that's why it's in the top 3. I love the theme to the ride, and my favorite part is the drop. Number 2. Test Track. This is an adrenaline-pumping ride that goes up to 65 miles per hour. After designing your car, you'll experience a series of tests, including braking maneuvers, cornering, and acceleration. I love this ride because it goes super fast, and in first place is Soarin' Around the World. In this ride, guests board multi-passenger hang gliders, which simulate the sensation of soaring through the air. As you fly, the attraction takes you on a breathtaking journey across iconic global landmarks and landscapes. You'll feel the wind in your hair as you glide over places like the Great Wall of China, the Eiffel Tower, and the African savanna. This ride is my favorite ride in Epcot because it feels like you're being suspended in the air and you get to see different places of the world. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this one.